Considering a switch from Shopify to Magento 2? Discover why this migration might be the game changer your online store needs. Explore methods, benefits, and a step-by-step checklist for a seamless transition. Firstly, why should we migrate from Shopify to Magento 2? Shopify has limitations in customization and flexibility. Magento offers superior customization, omnichannel capabilities, and flexibility. Next, let's look at migration methods. Automated migration tools such as LitExtension, Cart2Cart, and Firebear Studio efficiently transfer data. Manual migration, while time-consuming, offers complete control over the process. Agency-assisted migration provides professional assistance, ensuring accuracy, but it can be costly. All right, let's get into the process of the migration. Back up your Shopify data. This includes everything from products to orders. Unfortunately, custom designs and tax configurations won't migrate. Set up your Magento environment. Install Magento and configure basic settings to match your Shopify setup. Export your Shopify data using built-in tools or APIs. Make sure your CSV files are well organized and ready for import. Prepare Magento for the import. Create necessary attributes and categories, and install any required extensions. Import your data into Magento. Use Magento's data import function and tweak your CSV files to fit Magento's format. Configure your Magento store features. Implement customizations and test everything to ensure it works smoothly. After the migration, update SEO settings and DNS and perform final testing to make sure everything is in shape. Now, why go for Magento hosting specifically? Well, it optimizes performance, scalability, security, and compatibility for your Magento store. You also get specialized technical support and automated backups to keep your data safe. Ready to elevate your online store? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more valuable insights.